Loud phone alarms shock our brain and bodies into waking. If you're in a deep stage of sleep, this will feel even more shocking to your system. In sleep studies, loud, abrupt alarm clocks have been shown to increase heart rate and blood pressure, causing our bodies to secrete adrenaline first thing in the morning. Then it's no wonder the rest of the day you feel like you're in a fog or on edge. Instead of this wake up system, new studies are recommending light therapy as a gradual way to slowly come into your consciousness, keeping a relaxed state throughout your wake up process. Now, in a perfect world, we would go to sleep with the sun and wake up with the sunrise as our ancestors did for all of evolution. Unfortunately, many of us are up before the sun. That's why some sleep experts have started recommending sunrise alarm clocks. My name is Autumn Martin, and I am a practicing sleep medicine provider. Today, I am going to be breaking down the benefits of morning light therapy and sunrise alarm clocks specifically for those who wake up before the dawn. Make sure you subscribe for next week's video about my experience using a sunrise alarm clock for an entire week, and like this video if you find it helpful. So let's get started. Number one is the natural wake up. Sunrise alarm clocks stimulate the gradual increase of light that occurs at dawn, which helps your body transition from deep sleep to wakefulness more smoothly. Unlike traditional alarm clocks that abruptly interrupt your sleep with loud sounds, sunrise alarm clocks wake you up gently, allowing you to feel more refreshed and alert upon waking. Number two, improved mood. Exposure to natural sunlight has been linked to improved mood and overall well being. By waking up to simulated sunlight, sunrise alarm clocks can help you regulate your body's production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation, leading to a more positive and energized start to the day. Number three, regulated circadian rhythm. Your circadian rhythm, also known as your body's internal clock, regulates your sleep cycles and other physiological processes. Sunrise alarm clocks help synchronize your circadian rhythm by mimicking the natural light dark cycle of the sun, which can lead to more consistent sleep patterns and better overall sleep quality. Number four, reduce stress. Traditional alarm clocks can trigger a stress response in your body, leading to increased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. It can also increase heart rate, increase blood pressure if you're awoken from a deeper sleep state. In contrast, the gradual wake up process of a sunrise alarm clock reduces the abruptness of waking, minimizing the stress response and helping you start your day feeling calmer and more relaxed. Number five, enhance productivity. Waking up feeling refreshed and well rested sets a positive tone for the day ahead, increasing your alertness and productivity. By promoting a smoother transition from sleep to wakefulness, sunrise alarm clocks can help you tackle your daily tasks with greater focus and greater efficiency. Number six, better sleep hygiene. Consistency is key to maintaining good sleep hygiene. Sunrise alarm clocks encourage a regular sleep wake cycle by providing a gentle and consistent wake up routine every day. By establishing healthy sleep habits, such as going to bed and waking up at the same time each day, you can improve the quality and duration of your sleep over time. If you watch my other videos, you will see that light therapy in the morning is also a major component of stimulus control and cognitive behavioral therapy. There is a lot of studies coming out about the benefits of light therapy. And if you're someone like me who wakes up before the dawn, getting a sunrise alarm clock may help you wake up more gradually, feeling better and more refreshed to take on the day. Make sure you subscribe, as this whole week I'm going to be doing an experiment where I use the new sunrise alarm clock that I just purchased to see if I actually do feel better, more productive throughout the day.